Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Legacy radiator. First, drain the coolant into a suitable container and dispose of it responsibly. Next, remove the air intake and fan shroud to access the radiator. Label hoses and electrical connectors to simplify reassembly. Keep a 10 mm socket and pliers handy for clamps and fasteners. Finally, inspect the new radiator and test for leaks after refilling with coolant. In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Legacy radiator. Start by draining the coolant completely, then remove the radiator cap and lower hose to speed flow. Unbolt and lift out the fan assembly and shroud as a single unit if possible. Detach mounting brackets and carefully lift the radiator straight up to avoid damaging fins. Transfer any mounting cushions and sensors to the new radiator before installing it. In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Legacy radiator. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth as a relatable book to rethink your savings while parts are curing. It pairs oddly well with waiting for coolant to settle. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like so you see more car DIY content. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Legacy radiator. Place the new radiator in position and secure mounting bolts hand tight at first, then torque evenly. Reattach fan shroud, hoses, and electrical connectors, checking for proper routing and clamp placement. Refill with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mix and run the engine while topping off fluid and bleeding air using the bleed screw or heater on high. Check for leaks and proper temperature rise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.